Hello mga ka-pageantry fanatics! This is Thelma Suzanne Hermosa Dayo, your Miss Universe Philippines San Fernando Cebu 2025. And I'm here at Wendy's enjoying the people and excited to taste the food. Actually, this would not be my first time because I always eat at Wendy's in the Naiya airport. So yeah, it's the second time around. So I'm a chicken person, so it's my go-to. So of course it's the chicken and rice combo all the way. But I would love to try the salad as well and the dessert, like what Mr. Bolter said. There's an ube delight, so I'd love to try that. So as Mr. Bolter mentioned, Miss Ate, feeling close. Miss Chelsea Manala loves Wendy, so we can enjoy it together. Then I would love to dine with her. Oo, may tips. Anong i-order? Anong masarap, di ba? Thank you po. To all my supporters, thank you so much. It is such a long journey and it's quite hard, to be honest, to keep going. But seeing all your support in social media and the love, it's very wonderful and it keeps me going in whatever challenge in this pageant gives me. So keep supporting me, please. And I love you all. Thank you so much. I'm Pink.